Hello, welcome to another fantastic class. In the previous class, you learned about three-dimensional shapes. Today, I will be teaching you addition. Yes, addition. In this lesson, you will explore practical examples of addition. So expect to have a jolly ride with me today. Let's get started by defining addition. Okay? Addition means putting two or more numbers together to get a new total or sum. Putting two or more numbers together to get a new total or sum. In other instances, you could be asked to put two or more objects together. So it doesn't necessarily have to be numbers alone. Okay? That being said, let us look at other names for addition. Okay, we have some, how many, in all, how much, total, altogether, add, how much, in all. There are names, other names for addition. So whenever you hear any of these names, just know that what they are trying to say or talk about is addition. Okay, it is now time to explore practical examples of addition. Now, the first expression we have here is 5 plus 5. What is the sum? Remember that we said another name for addition is sum. So that is precisely what is being expected of us here. What is the sum of 5 plus 5? It is quite easy. The answer is 10. But how did we arrive at 10? It's easy. You can choose to represent your two numbers, which are called addends, with circles or any shapes for that matter. Then what that means is that you count or draw 5 circles, since the first addend there is 5 and the second addend is also 5, so you draw 5 circles. Now when you put all the circles together, when you count them all together, it gives you 10. So the answer to this expression 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, let us see another example. Okay, now we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. Remember that addition is quite simple. In the first example, we used circles. I told you that it is possible to use other shapes to express or represent the two numbers you are given, which are the addends. So in this case, you can also choose to use circles. So that being said, since the first addend there is 3, we're drawing 3 circles. The second addend is 2, so we're drawing 2 circles. So when we count them together, the answer becomes 5. Yes, 5. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, let us take another example. This time around, we have 2 plus 2 equals 4. How did we arrive at 4 as the answer? The same thing we did before is what we're also doing here. We have two addends, 2 and 2. The first addend is 2, so you draw 2 circles to represent your first addend. The second addend is also 2, so you draw another 2 circles. When you're done drawing, you count these circles together. After counting, you will arrive at the answer 4. Okay, we have another example. Yes, we have balls here. Balls, the first set of balls are 3. Now the second set is made up of 5 balls. Now what they are saying is 3 balls plus 5 balls is equal to how many balls? It's quite easy. So we have 3 balls there and we have 5 balls on the second side. So what we do is to count all the balls together. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So obviously the answer to this expression is 8 balls. So 3 balls plus 5 balls is equal to 8 balls. Okay, now let us take one more example. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. I'm sure you can solve this on your own. Remember, it's easier when you use circles or other shapes to represent your addends or the numbers you're told to put together. When you do that, all you need to do is just count all the circles or whatever shape it is you're using together, and you get your answer. So you can see that the concept of addition is really very simple and interesting. I hope you had a nice time with me today, because I had fun all the way. But for now, this is how we're going to end our class for today. See you in the quiz section, and remember to attend your assignment as soon as possible. Love you.